In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add Amazon affiliate links and product images on your WordPress site. This will only take about 5 minutes, so let's dive right in and get started. First, you'll want to navigate to wordpress.com, your go-to platform for managing your site. Once you're there, look for the login button. It should be fairly prominent on the page. Click on it, and this will take you to the login options. We're going to streamline the process by logging in through Google, so go ahead and click on Continue with Google. This will bring up a list of your Google accounts. Select the account that is linked to your WordPress site, and you'll gain access to your site dashboard in just a few moments. Now that you're in, look to the right panel where you'll find various quick links. Here you'll see an option to edit site. Click on this to open the site editor. This is where you'll be making your additions. Soon your web page will be ready to showcase Amazon products with affiliate links. Within the site editor, take a look around and you'll find a plus icon. This icon is your tool for adding new blocks to your site. Click on this and a search bar will appear. Here you'll want to type in Amazon. We're specifically looking for the Amazon Kindle embed, so go ahead and select that option once it appears. This feature conveniently integrates Amazon products into your site, complete with links and images. With the Amazon Kindle embed in place, you'll be able to input the relevant Amazon affiliate links or product details. Just ensure that you have your Amazon Associate ID and your specific product link handy. These will integrate seamlessly into your WordPress site, showing vivid images of the products alongside your affiliate links. This way visitors can be directly linked to the products you're recommending. And there you have it. With these simple steps, you've successfully incorporated Amazon affiliate links and product images into your WordPress site. This efficient integration not only enhances the visual appeal of your pages, but also maximizes your potential to earn through affiliates. Remember, keeping your content engaging and updated with product recommendations can drive traffic and increase your earnings. Thank you for watching, and I hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you have any questions or need further clarification, feel free to reach out in the comments below. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful tips and tutorials. Happy blogging and good luck with your affiliate marketing journey.